Hi everyone, I'm Mike Todd and welcome to Toddy Tackles. In the last video we finished making the gates, but as you can see at the bottom the floor's uneven and it's caused me a bit of a problem. The plate that came with the bolt is very thin, and even with the bolt fully down the gate just swings in mid-air, so I needed to make a catch plate that was a lot thicker. This is the one I made, and in this video I'll show you how I made it. I'll be casting this in aluminium, so you start off by making a wooden pattern the exact size and shape of the component you want to make. The casting sand we use is called green sand. There are lots of formulas to make this, but the one I found works really well is just children's play sand mixed with 10% bentonite clay and then just damped down slightly with water until a ball will hold together. This is a simple open top casting, so I'm only using the bottom frame called the drag. Fill the drag with green sand, packing it down firmly, levelling it off and leaving the pattern flush with the top. Remove the pattern and then I tapped a 20mm steel bar into the middle to form the hole. If you find these videos useful, please click the subscribe button or send any comments, as it really helps. The next job is to melt down the aluminium. These are old beer cans that I collected, melted down and poured into ingots. Once the aluminium melted, you scrape off any dross from the top so you don't get any rubbish into the casting. Carefully lift the crucible out and gently pour the metal into the mould. I keep spare casting moulds to the side so I can pour any excess metal into them, which can be used for future projects. Once it cooled down, I put it in the vise and knocked out the metal former, leaving a square hole in the middle. I cleaned it up with files and drilled 4 counterbored holes to hold it in place. As you can see, it now works perfectly. With the bolts secured top and bottom, that's the gates finished, and it's been a really good project. Hopefully you found it useful and you'll tackle something like this yourself. I really hope you found this video useful. Please add any comments or subscribe below. Remember, always wear your safety glasses in the workshop and look out for future videos of Toddy Tackles.